I make a living buying distressed properties, fixing them up, and then selling them for a profit. I have found that many of these buildings feature knockdown drywall finish. Each time I have to make a repair to a knockdown drywall finish, I have to pay contractors to come in, which can cost $50 to $100 for a simple repair. They're taking my profits. I have now found a way to do it myself. I have found that using the drywall repair tool is by far the easiest way to repair a knockdown drywall finish. Here is a repair ready for texture. Let me show you how easy it is to use the drywall repair tool. Simply hold it up to the smooth drywall, apply compound or spackling over the template, smooth away the rest that is not needed and any extra. Pull the template from the wall and it's fixed. If you're not satisfied with the way that it has applied to the wall, simply wipe it off with a damp sponge and reapply. After the spackle has dried, lightly sand the repaired area to blend in with the surrounding knockdown drywall finish. Paint over the repaired area and you're done. A perfect repair that was quick and easy.
The drywall repair tool is available in a fine texture, medium texture, and a heavy texture. $17.99 plus $2.79 for shipping and handling. Or purchase all three textures for only $35.99. Order your drywall repair tool at www.drywallrepairtool.com or call us at 1-800-331-6637. Don't wait. Order your drywall repair tool today.